What's going on, everybody? And welcome to Wheel Swap Wednesday. Today we're going to be working on this guy. But before I show you what I have planned for him, I got my order in from online. And let me just show y'all everything that I got. I have been waiting for this stuff. My shipment from online. This is what I was waiting for right here. My axles. Got some more rims. Oh, yeah. That's it. All right, so let's go ahead and do this guy like we were talking about earlier. And we're gonna do these bronze rims. That's almost the same design. That's what's on there. I think the bronze will look a little bit better. And because I picked up some rims from my buddy Remixed, as soon as I saw these, I knew exactly what I wanted to put them on. And it's gonna be this red edition that I have been saving for. A nice rim, and I think these are the winners. And last but not least, if you're familiar with this truck, when I bought it, it was missing a rim, and then we put these on there, and it didn't quite fit, so I just kind of had it sitting there. And again, because I saw my buddy Remix, he finally started doing dually rims, and I figured, why not? Let's go ahead and put these on there with one of his bases and see how it comes out. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. And here is the time shifter with that pizza livery along the side of it. I like how the bronze rims match all the different colors that are on this. I think this is a really nice one, and I like how it matches the original rims that were on there. And here is the Mercedes-Benz Red Edition. I like how these rims look on this vehicle. I feel like they were made to match for this, that staggered wheel in the back with that lip. I think it looks amazing. All right, guys, here is that dually with those rims from Remix. I love that deep dish in the back. This came out really good. I'm glad I finally picked up these rims from him, and I'm glad he finally did them. And that's going to do it for today, guys. And as always, happy hunting.